Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Marwa and I am the student of Peshawar Marwa Girls High School 2. Alhamdulillah, I have got first position in BICE Peshawar and oral KP by securing 1176 marks. And first of all, I am very thankful towards Almighty Allah for giving me this great opportunity. And it's all possible due to the efforts of my teachers, my parents, and because of me as well. Thanks. As you know that behind this success of every person, there is a great secret, that's hard work. And if I talk about myself, so the most important thing that I involved in my studies is that I always worked upon and I always listened to my teachers and work upon their instructions, which was really meaningful for me and it helped me a lot in my school journey. If I talk about the role of my family, my parents, so as I'm standing in front of you and as an achiever, so it's all possible due to my parents, their prayers, and they motivated me a lot, especially my father. He guided me as a tutor in my difficult subjects like maths and chemistry, and my mother, she motivated me a lot. When I totally lost my interest in studies, she was there for me and helped me a lot. The role of my school in my success is really undeniable. And the school staff, especially my teachers, they really work hard for me and they motivated me a lot. And there were monthly tests which were totally SLO based and conceptuals, which help us a lot in our exams. And they also improved our handwriting, which is very important in exams. If I talk about my school routine, so during the school days, I used to study 5 hours, which was enough for my homework and test revision. And during the school days, I covered my entire syllabus. And when exams came up, during exams, we only need to revise the already covered syllabus. So there was one day gap between each paper, which was enough for revision. And first of all, I covered the easier topics and then I gave time to the rest of topics. If I talk about my future plans, so my first target is to get through MDCAT and become a doctor because my father is also a doctor and I'm really inspired from him. He worked for his patients and helped them a lot. And if it was not possible, then I would go for CSS. It was also my childhood dream to become a CSS officer. So if that was possible, and I pray from Allah that I get to it. I talk about my revision, so I revised my entire syllabus from my school notes. They were really informative and knowledgeable, and it really helped me a lot in my academics. And our school provided us all the accessories regarding academics, and they were really explanatory. And there were also booklets regarding English and Urdu literature, which helped me a lot in my studies. My advice to the upcoming juniors is that work hard and stay motivated and study with a peace of mind and get the self-motivation, because the motivation which other people gives you doesn't help you that much which your inner self gives you. And hard work is the key to success, and hard work plus smart work leads to success. Currently, I have joined OPA Academy for my first year courses and I'm very impressed by the animated course, and the lectures are very good and informative and the teachers are really cooperating, and they explain the lectures through the real-time accessories, which is very helpful in our studies and which is very important for the SLO-based exams.